Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Araf Pramana Jaya. My name is 19251732. Today I will present my English project 1, computer hardware and software. We have two main topics. First is hardware and second is software and operating system. Let's get started. Let's start with our first topic. What is computer hardware? In simple terms, hardware refers to all the physical and tangible parts of a computer system. If you can touch it with your hands, it is hardware. As you can see on the slide, we divide hardware into three main categories: input device to send commands, processing device to execute those commands, and output or storage device to display and keep the data. Now, moving on the core of the system. If we open up a computer, we will find the CPU and the motherboard working together in harmony. The CPU acts as the brain of the computer. It executes instructions at very high speed. Meanwhile, the motherboard acts the central nervous system. It is the main board that connects every single component, allowing the CPU, memory, and other parts to communicate smoothly. Next, we need to understand the difference between memory and storage. RAM. It's our short-term memory. It is incredibly fast and helps the CPU do its job. But it loses all data when the computer turns off. In contrast, storage devices like HDD or SSD are long-term memory. They are used to keep your files, photo, and system safe permanently, even when there is no power. Let's talk about peripherals. These are the devices that connect us to the machines. Input devices like keyboard and microphones capture our command and send them to the computer. Then, output devices such as monitor and speaker display the process result back to us. They act as direct bridge, translating human action into the digital world. Now, let's shift to our second main topic, software. If hardware is the physical body, software is the invisible mind. Software is essentially a set of digital instructions and codes written by programmers. You cannot touch it or hold it, but it absolutely crucial because it tells the physical hardware exactly what to do and how to behave. Software is divided into a few categories. The most important one is system software, especially the operating system or OS. The OS is the master controller that manages all hardware resources. Popular examples include Windows, which is great for general daily use, Mac OS, which is optimized for Apple device and creative work, and Linux, an open source system often used for server. The second category is application software. These are the programs we use every day to do specific tasks. For example, Microsoft Office for document, Chrome for browsing, and Spotify for entertainment. To conclude, a computer needs a perfect synergy between hardware and software. Hardware without software is useless, and software without hardware has no physical machine to work on. They need each other. Thank you for your time and attention.